Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Krabby. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. On the left, let's draw a curve on an angle like this. And then above it, another curve to close off the shape of the eye. Now let's draw the same shape on the right. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a small black circle. Let's draw the top of the head next. Above the eyes in the center here, let's draw a U-shaped curve. Now from the top left, let's curve it over, and then we're going to bring it down to the eye like this. And the same thing on the right. Now let's hop over next to the left eye and we're going to draw a small curve up and out. And the same on the right. Next from the sides, let's draw a curve down like this. Next, underneath the outside of the left eye, let's draw a curved V shape up and down. And the same thing under the right eye. Next, let's move underneath the eyes in the center here and we're going to draw a curve over like this. And then the same thing on the left side. Next, let's continue that curve down from the other side of the V like this on both sides. And then on the ends, let's angle it in slightly. Next from the bottom, let's draw a curve down and in like this. And then we're going to close off the shape with another curve on the top. And now let's draw the same shape on the right side. Next, let's close off the bottom of the body with a curve in between. And that's it for the body. Let's draw the legs and arms next. Let's start on the left side here and we're going to draw a small curve. And let's do the same on the right. Now from the top of this curve, let's draw another line out. And the same thing from the bottom. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now at the end, let's draw a long U-shaped curve down and back up. And the same thing on the right. Now on the top, let's draw two curves. But we're going to leave a gap in between the center. Let's draw the claws next. From the outside, let's draw a curve up, and then we're going to angle it back in like this. And let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the top, let's draw a curve down and in. And then again, angling it down. Now from the bottom, let's curve it back in and up. Then another curve down. Next, let's bring that line down, and then we're going to curve it back down to close off the shape. Now on the inside here, let's draw another curve up and in. Next, a small curve down on both sides. Then another longer curve down. And then one more angling it outwards. And then one curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, underneath each claw, let's draw one more curve here. Lastly, for the claw, let's move up to the top. Underneath that pointy section, we're going to draw a curve down and then one more here. And the same on the right. And that's it for the arms with the large claws. Next, let's draw two legs behind. Let's start on the bottom left of the body here, and we're going to draw a small curve. And let's do the same thing on the right. Next, we're going to draw a leg going up behind the arm. So let's start by drawing an angle up, and then continue that line above the arm here. Now let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the top of these lines, let's angle it down. Now let's draw the bottom of the leg. Let's start underneath, and we're going to curve it up and then angle it up. And the same on the right. Next, let's continue this leg down. We're going to move over to the outside, and we're going to draw an angled line down like this. Now let's draw the other side. Under the arm here, let's curve it down, and we're going to curve it back up at the bottom. And the same on the right. Next, let's draw the foot at the end. At the bottom here, let's draw a line out on both sides. Then from the end, let's curve it down. Next, let's close off the bottom with an S-shaped curve. And that's it for the first set of legs. Let's draw another set behind this one. We'll start underneath the first leg, and we're going to draw a small curve down and then angle it up and out. And the same on the right. Next, add one more angle above it for the top side of the leg. Next, at the end, let's draw a curved line down to end this part of the leg. Next, let's angle it down one more time like this. Next, let's add a foot at the end above the other one. So let's start with a curve up and down, and then bring it back in at the bottom. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for Krabby. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!